Hey everyone, it's Sarah at Repeat Crafter Me. I'm working on a fun little birthday project. What I am doing is I am crocheting around these styrofoam forms and I'm gonna make a birthday cake. So right now I'm working on the first crochet form that's gonna go over the styrofoam, and I'm working on a fun little frosting edge. So I just wanna show you real quick what I'm doing because I feel like when I try and explain this with photos, it just might not translate very well. So I'm doing the bobble stitch and it's around the edge. So basically I'm gonna tell you the pattern for this. We're just crocheting in rounds, doing increases. And then when I get to the spot where it's time to make this little bobble stitch frosting edge, here's what you're gonna do. So I'm actually skipping one stitch in between each bobble, and I'm working in the front loops only right now. So I start by making a half double crochet. Okay, and then I yarn over and I go back through that same loop and I pull through two loops on my hook. Yarn over, go back through the same spot, only pull through two. And I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, same stitch I'm going through, pull through 2, 4 loops on my hook. Yarn over, again, pull through 2, 5 loops on my hook. Yarn over, one last time, pull through 2, 6 loops on my hook. Now I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 6 loops, okay? And I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to puff this bobble stitch out a little bit. And there it is. Now I'm going to skip one and I'm going to do it again in the next front loop. So I'm going to half double crochet. Okay? And now I'm going to do the same thing. And there we have it. And we're going to do that all the way around. Again, pattern will be available on repeatcrafterme.com.